My name is Mary Louise, and welcome to this beginner's 10-minute meditation together. If you are new to meditation or have not practiced for a while, I hope this will empower you to find your way with your breath, to ease unwanted thoughts, and begin on a journey of self-discovery, healing, evolving, calm and focus. If you feel uncomfortable at first, this is the usual response if you're not used to being still or to relaxing. It takes time, patience and showing up. Thank you for showing up now in this moment. You are capable, and it's okay not to be an instant expert. Stay with it with curiosity and you will see the benefits. Now, as we begin our first 10-minute meditation together, let us begin by finding a comfortable place to lie down with blankets or pillows to support us. If you are seated, make sure your spine is supported. Let us ease into our breath with trust and curiosity. Taking a nice deep breath in, holding at the top, and exhaling fully. This is a time for our bodies to begin to learn a more relaxed way of being, so we may aid the body's healing process. Nice deep breath in, pausing at the top and exhaling fully. I am finding my rhythm with you by your side. Now we are beginning to settle. Let us breathe together. And just notice your breath. You may wish to place a hand on your belly and your chest so you can notice how you are breathing. Breathing in. Holding at the top and exhaling more fully. Notice if you're breathing from your chest or from your diaphragm area. This is an indicator of how we are holding tension in the body. We're often rushing around, having short breaths in and out through our chest. And so when we take time to meditate, we can consciously allow our breath to become more full, and therefore more releasing of tension. When we release tension, we allow the body to do its job, to heal, to restore, and to renew. Nice deep breath in, holding at the top, and deep breath out. In every moment, cells die off and renew. We have the opportunity in each moment to aid this process. Nice inhale, hold, and exhale more fully. When we exhale more fully, we are consciously slowing down the heart rate, finding your own rhythm, breathing in and out. When your thoughts wander off, which is normal, notice them with curiosity and gently bring yourself back. And focus your awareness on your breath and an area of your body holding tension, breathing into that space. Let us begin now a scan of the body to see where our tension lies. Let's begin with the head and neck, breathing into the space between the eyes and breathing out tension. Breathing into the muscles around the jaw and the cheeks. Breathing out tension. Noticing how your neck is. Breathing into your neck and shoulders. Feeling compassion for your body. Notice if you feel uncomfortable and just stay with that and just breathe into it and release. You're showing up for yourself right now. You're doing really well. Breathing in. Breathing in golden, warm, healing light. Just as you would when the sun falls on your face. And breathing out any limitations. Breathing now into your chest and your torso area. Feeling that golden light washing through the body, renewing the cells, healing and restoring, relaxing the body. Breathing into your hips and legs and just noticing how you're feeling. Feel that golden light moving through your spine, lighting you up and radiating from your body, grounding you through your feet. As we begin to come back to our senses, know that you have given yourself time for your body to find its way to relax. When we allow our bodies to relax, we move to the parasympathetic nervous system, which allows our body to aid restoration, digestion, and many other processes. Inhale and exhale. Now, with your eyes still closed, let us set an intention for the time ahead of us. Each moment is an opportunity for a new beginning. So let us say, I welcome this time ahead of me with calm and focus, so that I may enjoy my life with ease. I welcome this time ahead of me with calm and focus, so that I may enjoy my life with ease. Thank you for giving yourself time for you today. Take good care of you. There is only one of you. If you like this video, let me know in the comments below. And let me know what you'd like to hear more of. Thank you.